Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to pin the live cricket score matches on your Android phone screen as a screensaver or as a always on display. Okay, so for this guys, you need to have the app called Cricbuzz. If you don't have the Cricbuzz app, just go to the Google Play Store and download and install it from there. Okay, after download and install, now you need to open the live ongoing matches. So I will find the live ongoing matches. So as you can see guys, here is one match is on live. Open it. After opening the top right side, here you can get the three dots option. Just tap on it, and here you can get the option lean back mode. Just need to select this option from here. So as you can see guys, now live cricket score match was set as a screensaver, or if you can say always on display. So it will automatically refresh after few minutes, few seconds. You don't need to refresh, or you don't need to open any particular app website to get the live cricket score matches. Okay, so just use this method, so it will automatically updated after every few minutes. So without any hassle, you can easily able to get up to date with the live cricket scores. Okay, so that's for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.